Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss a very simple yet important topic of business studies, and that is financial markets. Now this is one topic which is very important from the exam perspective. Also, it is very simple to understand with certain techniques of understanding. So, today we will use those techniques and we will try to learn the difference between the two parts of financial market. One is the money market and the other one is the capital market. At the very onset, let me tell you, if you are watching this video, watch it till the end to get 100% results of understanding and remembering. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe my channel, please. So, financial market. Financial markets are of two types, or the financial market as a whole is divided into two parts. One is money market and the other one is capital market. Money market is that market which is dealing with short term funds, and basically it is that type of market where risk is very low. Capital market, on the other hand, is that type of market which is dealing in medium and long term funds, and the risk is comparatively higher as compared to the money market. So, here when we go through the points of differences, the first and the basic point is money market is a market dealing in short term funds, while capital market is a market dealing in long and medium term funds. The risk is high in capital market, whereas the risk associated with the money market instruments is very less because they are short term, and also most of them are from guaranteed sources. Another very important point in money market, the difference between money market and capital market, is that money market has high liquidity. That means the instruments in the money market can be traded very quickly as the duration is short. The term is short, so whenever we want, we can trade these instruments, and some of the instruments are so volatile that they can be traded even on daily basis. Capital market, on the other hand, has higher liquidity. The liquidity is lower than the money market. The reason is that since in capital market we are dealing in long term funds also, so medium term and long term funds, the term is more or less fixed, and that's why we cannot alter it and get higher liquidity in such type of market. So the liquidity is lower, but still the funds are liquid. We cannot say that liquidity is not there. The funds are still liquid in capital market also. But in money market, the liquidity is higher. The liquidity is higher as compared to capital market. Now we go to the instruments. Now, what are the instruments that are being traded in the money market? Instruments that are traded in the money market basically are treasury bill, commercial paper, call money, certificate of deposit, commercial bill. So these are the various instruments which are traded in the money market. Now, the details of these instruments you will find in another video, the link of which is provided in the details box. So, go through that video to understand all these instruments in details and their trading procedure and their rules. Now, these instruments, each of these, the common characteristic is that they are short term, that they are dealt within a short period of time. The instruments that are there in capital market are equity shares, debentures, bonds, preference shares, etc. So you can understand by these instruments that these are all long term or medium term instruments and cannot be immediately traded in the short run. So these instruments, this is the difference between the instruments of money market and the instruments of capital market. Now, the investment. In money market, investment is on a huge sum of money, because when we invest in short term funds, and each of these have their minimum amount of deposit, so the investment that is required to invest in money market is huge sum of money. So usually we cannot invest small savings in the money market, but in capital market investment is very low. In equity shares, in bonds, in preference shares, we can invest even the smallest saving that we have. So these are those type of instruments in which low investment works, but the term is long. So investment is low, and in money market investment is huge sum of money, or the investment is high. Major participants. Now in capital market, you see who are the major participants. First of all, the one of the most important and major participant is Reserve Bank of India, who usually deals in all these instruments, on some of these instruments, on behalf of the government. Commercial banks, non-banking financial companies, state government, large corporate houses, mutual funds, all these are various participants of the money market who are dealing in the funds of the money market. Now there are some people who are participating in the capital market also. They are banks, financial institutions, corporate entities, foreign investors, ordinary retail investors from the public. Now these are the people who are investing in these instruments of the capital market. Now banks, if we talk about banks, we know that banks are investing in capital market also, in money market also. This is one common instrument. But other than bank, if we talk about the foreign investors, if we talk about ordinary retail investors, that is the general public, these are people who cannot invest in the money market since the amount of investment is huge, so they prefer to invest in the capital market. So this is the difference between the participants of the money market and the capital market. If we take a one glimpse at the whole slide, what we get to know is that money market and capital market are both very essential part of the financial market. And if we see all these points at a glance, we come to know that these are very closely related yet different from one another. Hope you have understood this, each point in details. If you have, don't forget to like my video. Don't forget to share the link with your friends and benefit many from this video. Also, post your comments, post your doubts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.